door here, Bob. Housekeeping, my pearwood claw-shaped pipe got from my good buddy Flanker Tanker in a pipe trade. He got me this. I got him Missouri Meerschaum freehand. Something that's hard for him to get over in England. This is another episode of, you guessed it, The Angry Trucker! Now, I don't want you to think that I'm only going to pick on cars. This episode, I'm picking on trucks, truck drivers. Now, let's say you're on a flat area of ground, which describes a large chunk of the Midwest, which I spend most of my time driving around. I'm a Midwest regional driver. I drive around the Midwest. I get home every weekend. So, from miles away, you can see that you're going faster than the truck in front of you. You can see that you're catching that truck. So why, when you catch up to me, you get behind me, get on my bumper, and stay there for a couple minutes? And then after a couple minutes, you get in the other lane, pass me, and switch lanes. What the heck's wrong with you? You think just because you're riding my bumper, I'm going to suddenly go, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to drive so slow. I've got a governor. I can't go any faster. And you can see that from miles and miles and miles away that you're going faster than me. Considering the stopping distance of trucks, safe distance between trucks is about 100 feet. You're coming up behind the truck, you want to pass them, you need to be switching lanes at least 100 feet behind them. Pass them, get at least 100 feet in front of them before you switch lanes again. Don't switch lanes on my front bumper! I hate that! There's nothing worse than seeing some guy switch lanes so close to you, you know, that you gotta put on the brakes because you're afraid you're gonna smash into them. Am I really the only person in America that knows how to drive? This episode of The Angry Trucker is brought to you by Night Door. Until next time, may all your roads be smooth, chicken house is closed, and may your pipe never run empty. And get the hell out of my way!